Wow, pansit. Ang unang natikman ni Cornish.
Palaya.
Ang palaya. This is chicken apricot. Tita, his dinuguan is good. The dinuguan.
Ayoko isama dito.
Oh yeah. And they have lechong kawali.
Wow, they have lechon kawali.
Thank you so much, Tita Lorda, for gracing this important grand reopening of Flaming Pig. We got the best guest in the house.
Ang sarap.
Yeah.